Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to enable high-accuracy GPS on Android, so you can get the best location results on your device. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where you can access all the controls and features of your device. Step 2. Tap on the Location option. This is the section that manages all location-based settings and permissions. Step 3. Tap on Location Service. This option contains different tools that help your device determine your precise location. Step 4. Tap on Google Location Accuracy. This feature is designed to improve your GPS performance by using Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and sensors along with GPS. Step 5. Toggle the Improve Location Accuracy option to On. This will make your GPS as accurate as possible for apps and services that need it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips.